So, okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, do it.
Give this a shot.
So, we've never done this before. We're doing what we've seen on Storage Wars. This is hilarious.
Okay.
You gotta really whack it, I think. Or I can go get the bigger metal.
I need something better to brace this against. Or let's just try it this way, huh? Ah, yeah.
What could be in there? Emily, what do you think's in there?
Bunch of shit. Whole bunch of nothing. Well, we found a shitload of that.
Yeah, we gave them all back. Did it work?
No. Can't. It's bending. I don't see what hammering this is going to accomplish, though.
I need to go get the big metal thingamabobber.
Oh, maybe if...
And the actual... whatever the tools are called when it's a step up from a hammer and... Oh, yeah! Holy crap, a Rolodex!
A Wolverine card.
Shit, Wolverine card?
It's probably worth something. It's in sleeves.
$1.
Let's see. A bunch of Rolodexes. Some basketball cards. Is there anything in them? No. What is this shit?
More Rolodex.
Well, packages from basketball cards.
You better lock that shit up.
Lock that shit up.
Is that seriously all there is?
That's all there fucking is.
That's hysterical. What's?
Yep. That's all there fucking is.
There's not even a Rolodex.
Nope.
It's just Rolodex. It's just cards for a Rolodex.
Yep. Good thing we busted that. The box was worth way more than...
And they put their dolphin stickers on it. That's hysterical. I hope that Wolverine card is worth... How old is it?
It might be. I don't know.
Does it have a... Oh, there's a couple cards in there.
Yeah, there's a couple.
Hmm.
They're warped a little bit, but the corners are nice. They're in plastic.
Oh, nice. Well, that's fun.
1994. It might be worth something. It might not. I don't know.
I bet those Rolodex cards are worth something. This is another funny thing. So there are a bunch of like collectible items in this, and I really liked this one here. It's a broken ass M&M bag. NASCAR M&Ms. Isn't that funny? Let's see what else is in here. We got JP patches. Nodder. That's gotta be awesome. Sorry about the lighting situation, my friends. Hey, what the fuck's this? Ugh. Leather really sweatshirt.
Really fucking
oh,
ugly.
that's rad. It looks like Michael Jackson Thriller. Ooh, this looks like it could be fun. I shouldn't reach straight into there because there could be like... hopefully we find whatever this controls. What is that for?
No idea.
Hopefully it's a drone. We will see. What's this? Tax free the people's Nusla. Hustler. Man, I'm so turnt. We have to listen to this, so I bet it's dope.
Karaoke jam.
Yes. So, before the pandemic, I was a karaoke host. I would do the raps. Holy what's the fuck's this shit? Are these?
Oh, those are collectibles. For sure.
So, is it a cup?
Looks like it.
Huh. Huh. Interesting. A ton of these. Can't read it.
Eminem's character. I don't know, trademark thing. Doesn't say what it is though.
Oh, it's an ornament. They're like Christmas ornaments. That's good. So stupid.
Basketball, golf balls.
Oh, here's some, what are these? Those are
Basketball.
little tiny baby basketballs. Oh, here's a big painting of some sort. I'm excited to see what's in that. Ooh, let's look in that. Look at, there's a big outdoor tent. I'm excited about that. What's in here? Ooh!
Grease record.
That's fun.
Sound of Music.
Yes. Diane Warwick. Nat King Cole. Oh my god, I had this record as a kid.
That's awesome.
I know the songs on it. Like, this is so weird. Like,
And you have a
I'm
record
Gen
player,
X,
right?
so I'm old. Yes, there was a record player in the unit. So I did see a few things in the unit because they weren't in a box.
So you can listen to them.
That's just neat. What the hell else is in here? That is a sports thing.
Ah, cool.
Because guys need action figures. Well, I'm not.
Call it a doll.
Who is it?
Sean Alexander.
Hey, Chris.
Lisa.
Do you know sports, Austin? Good for you. Well, apparently this is a Seahawk.
Ah.
We live in Washington, so 2003. So whenever, what do we got in here? What do we got in here? This is that was freaking hilarious that there was nothing in here. Oh, here's some keys. Probably the key to the safe. Cadillac. I'm liking it.
Oh, signed football.
Ooh, signed football. What? Some soap. Oh, one of these. Everybody needs one.
Oh, you had one before. Yeah.
What is this? Two-head shaver. Don't know if that's what's in the box. Wow, look at this.
Got a case.
The case is kind of falling apart. Yeah, hold the phone. It's signed by those people. It's probably like a team he played on. These are his bros or something. Or she. It could have been a woman. I don't know. What do you think?
I have no idea.
It's a janky case.
Maybe somebody else will know.
Ooh,
And
flip phone.
a relic.
Those are cool. They're actually collectibles.
That's hilarious.
Hey, this thing.
My brother used a flip phone until recently. I think one of them probably still
Well,
has
it's
one.
good because the man can't track you as hard with it. Calcium. Razors. Phones. Always love finding phones.
Calculators.
Yeah, Texas Instruments actually worth money. Ugh.
Yeah, I have one of those in my
Nice one.
drawer at home. I have that exact one. And a graphing calculator.
I don't need to graph things that much, so I'll sell it.
Me neither.
What's this shit? That looks like shadiness. Ooh. Oh, another phone. That is WNBA, yo.
Nice.
Lady ball.
Cool.
That's cool.
Cool. Looks like a team because they all signed with their numbers.
Yeah. So that's not just like his neighbor signed it or whatever.
I don't know.
Okay. We'll be back more with more Storage Wars. More Katie's Storage Wars. It's really hard not to just keep going, but I need to eat dinner.